Are you looking for the best gifts for 14-year-old boys in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best gifts for 14-year-old boys that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the LEGO Architecture New York City 21028. A city that is so captivating that you would love to have it in your room. Well, this is New York City. This stylish set looks great everywhere you place it. If you have a budding creative builder, then this LEGO New York City skyline makes a decent choice. This unit includes model towers and towers within the building, allowing you to recreate the magic of the city that never sleeps. Unlike other models, each of the buildings in this skyline is scaled so that it offers an accurate representation of each skyscraper and tower. The building also has a true-life color depiction. Also important, this unit also includes a collectible booklet that gives more insights about the New York architecture. Moreover, it is finished with a decorative nameplate, making it a great gift. Moving on at number 4. We have the LyxPro electric guitar 39-inch complete beginner starter kit. At 14 years of age, your boy is no longer a small kid. During this age, boys love trying new things. If you find that your kid loves music, then a guitar is a great gift. The LyxPro electric guitar is the ultimate starter package that will hone your kid's music skills. The kit includes a full-sized electric guitar and all the required accessories, allowing your kid to start rocking straight out of the box. All in one set for a budding musician, this set is a great pick for a home-to-school lessons. The set also includes a detailed guide which makes learning how to play it. It also comes with a 20W amp with an inbuilt speaker, a headphone jack as well as an aux input that enables you to play along to music on the MP3 player or smartphone. Moreover, the set includes a digital tuner that enables you to tune the guitar to meet your needs. At number 3, we have the Yard Games Giant Tumbling Timbers. If you are trying to help your kid unplug from technology and enjoy the fresh air outdoors, then the Yard Games Giant Tumbling Timbers is a great motivation. This game brings the nail-biting fun to a new height, thanks to the extra-large size. It starts at 2.5 feet and stands more than 5 feet tall when stacked up. The set consists of 56 smooth blocks made from hardwood. Each block measures about 7.5 by 2.5 by 1.5 inches. Perfect for your backyard, picnics, and beach trips, players takes turn to remove one block while ensuring that the stacked tower doesn't topple. The set allows up to 12 individuals to take part, making it a perfect choice for the whole family or a group of friends. For enhanced convenience, this unit comes with a premium quality carrying case that allows for easy portability and storage. At number 2, we have the Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red JoyCon. 14-year-old boys love playing video games. However, your kid doesn't have to be glued in his room or in front of your flat-screen TV. With the Nintendo Switch, your kid can enjoy his favorite games indoors and outdoors. Equally, this model allows for more than one player to join the fun. Family members and friends can join in the fun. Better still, this unit is usable on the go. Whether you are planning a long road trip, commuting to school or waiting for band lessons to start, this unit keeps you entertained. As expected, this model is compatible with all Nintendo Switch games, allowing you to enjoy hundreds of games. With each purchase, you will also get a Switch dock, 2 JoyCon controllers, a C adapter as well as an HDMI cable. And finally at number 1, we have the Fire HD 10 tablet. The newly launched Fire HD 10 tablet makes entertainment portable. This model enables you to enjoy reading your books, playing games, music as well as watching videos everywhere. And, with its ability to work with micro SD cards, you can enjoy watching movies and videos without surfing the web. Unlike its predecessor, this unit comes with a large 10.1-inch and 1080 Full HD. Designed by Amazon, This unit doesn't only come in an awesome design but also equipped with the best features. For starters, this unit comes with a powerful processor and 2 GB RAM that boost its performance. Next, it comes with a powerful battery that offers you up 12 hours runtime per charge. Moreover, thanks to the Amazon FreeTime, parents can create child profiles and set educational goals as well as manage content. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.